Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you some of the accessories which I put on this bike. We're gonna discuss about them in detail, so make sure you stay until the end. The first accessory which I decided to put on this bike was the engine guard. So I decided for the Givi, the GVTN 1111 engine guard. This is specifically designed for the Honda NC 750X. The engine guard range is made from 22 millimeters diameter and 2 millimeter thick tubular steel, and it's used to protect your motorcycle bodywork in the unfortunate event of an accident. The thing is that this crash bar protects quite good the radiator. This is the main reason which I buy this engine guard. The radiator costs around 700 euros. Indeed, if you see, this is called an engine guard, so it doesn't protect so much the fenders. The original crash bar indeed protects much better the fenders, but it offers no protection to the radiator. So I choose the Givi crash bar because of the price of the radiator. The radiator costs 700 euros and the fenders, they cost around half, 350, 400 euros. So the most expensive one gets a protection. As a feedback for this engine guard, it's that it weighs 3 kilograms and the bike gets slightly heavier in front. You have to consider 3 kilograms, maybe they don't seem much, but on the bike level this is quite okay, but you have to consider it. It is attached to the bike with 3 bolts, one here as you see it, the next one it's over here, and also it catches from the cylinder head protection from here. So 3 mounting points, and I think it's quite okay. It looks very solid, and yeah, it's a good investment for this bike. Just after you ride the bike with this engine guard, you will feel it a little heavier, but you will get used to it. The next accessory are the Evo Footrest kit. This Footpegs from SW Motech. They are a system consisting of rotating elements with firmly interlocking teeth, which gives you 36 options for positioning. The position of the footrest can be adjusted so that it's lower or moved forwards or backwards, as well as adjusted in terms of its angle to suit your individual needs. The bike-specific joint adapters are simply mounted onto the original parts of the footrest holder. So guys, let me show you the difference between the original Footpeg and this one from SW Motech. It's almost double the surface, and it has so many features, so many positions of adjusting your footpegs in order to have the perfect comfort for your feet. So this is the difference between them, as you can see it. Now let me show you. Here it has a bolt, a 6 millimeter inbus key, which you can use it here. I recommend you that you don't tighten it so much because it will be difficult to unlock it. So tighten it gently and you will have no problems. So 36 position. This can rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. This can be rotated, and this will adjust your position higher, lower, forward, backward. I put it now as low as I could to offer me a wider angle for the knees, and I can really instantaneously feel the difference. It's not much, but it's something. I will say around 10% the angle, it's wider for the knees. And in case you want to take this rubber out, if you are going more off-road and you need more grip for your foot, then you can easily take it. It's tightened with this one, with this bolt, and you take this out and also you'll have off-road foot peg. As a small minus of this foot peg is that it bounces. Could be because of this very tall rubber surface, so you can feel like you're somehow on springs. Not much, but it gives you this feeling that you are on some springs. The next one, SW Motech Traveler Pillion. I choose this temporary solution for the pillion until I will decide for the seat. And the first impression, it's quite good after using it. As you can see, its size, it fits perfectly the pillion seat. 22 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters long, and it's made of artificial leather. According to SW Motech, this traveler pillion offers a relief for back and behind, prevents numbness and painful pressure marks, reduces heat and sweat build-up with breathable spacer fabric of the cover and internal padding with interlinked air waving. Particularly high vibration dampening, integrated vent allows for variable air filling, two stable TYRES with rock straps and non-slip underside for precise positioning, anti-theft protection by attachment under the seat, surface made of rugged B-elastic artificial leather for extra sitting comfort, waterproof inner parts, air cushion made of polyurethane. Let me show it. My pillion tested it and the feedback was quite impressive. I didn't expect it, it's just a pillow, but inside it has this rubber part, which is rubber. Take a look. These are filled with air which you can inflate it here with your mouth. This is how it looks like the inside. SW Motech Traveler Pillion cushion, as you want to call it. It's a good solution. It's a good solution for the pillion, and I tell you, the feedback was quite good. I can tell you that the grip, it's very good on the outside and also on the inside. It has also this one which make a compact seat. It doesn't moves, and let me show you how I attach it to the seat. So as you can see, it has some straps. You tie them up and that's it. Everything closes perfectly and you have a Confort pillion seat. Let's continue with our next accessory, the Handguards, SW Motech Barkbusters or BB Storm. These are mounted on the handlebar internal thread. At the bar end, the aluminum backbone is sturdy enough for your most demanding rides, SW Motech said. The large BB Storm handguards, shells made of impact-resistant plastic, have been especially developed for all-weather use and offer the best protection against cold and wind. In the event of a fall, damaged shells can be easily replaced. The BB Storm handguards can be screwed onto the aluminum handlebars in just few easy steps. Bike-specific mounting kit with aluminum brackets for particularly strong 2-point attachment. Timeless design meets abrasion-resistant Moped plastic in these handguard shells. Large-size handguard shells offer the best protection for all-weather elements. Easy installation of the handguard shells out to the aluminum bars can be replaced if needed. The first impression is that these handguards, they really look quality. They look very good. Also with here the protection inside, the metal protection inside, aluminum. What I like about it is that these are black. I would have appreciated if these were also black, but that's okay. Inside protection, they offer very good wind protection, rain protection, and they look quite good. They are not so fat. I really like them. These are made in Australia by Barkbusters company, and they look very nice. To install it, you have to take out this original inside. This you take out, and it starts from here. There is no problem, no issues, nothing so far. Fresh new Barkbusters handguards. And last but not least, tires. I choose the Pirelli MT60 RS for my next season. I plan to make more off-road, so I check out some reviews about it and I decided to take them. I will give you a full review of the tires in another video, testing it on many miles and also on multiple surfaces. But I can give you some feedback after just 300 kilometers. These are normally dual sport tires, and they have a radial carcass with steel belt at 0 degrees and a multi-radius profile. This profile offers great handling and speed in changes of directions, easy and pleasant steering. This is what they say. I can confirm the first impression was that the steering, it's done very easily. Cornering, steering has improved actually after putting these tires in comparison with the original Dunlop Trail Max D609. They say that it has a special superbike racing compound capable of maximizing grip and road holding for a pleasant riding sensation. This I don't believe it, but what I can tell you is that the grip on the rain, it's very good so far. They are brand new. Let's see it after 1000, 2000, 3000 miles. We have to see how good they are actually on multiple surfaces. I have to make a special video about it and give you my feedback. So to resume it, what I can tell you 100% is that the handling has improved. Cornering, steering, it's done much easier with these tires because of their shape. Also you can see it. And so far I'm very happy with my choice. I received some feedbacks from my subscribers, also from Instagram, from some followers. They told me that they are very happy with these ones on a long-term usage. I have to check it for myself. But guys, so far I'm very happy with it. I'm driving most of the time on the rain on this December. And also these tires, they have more aggressive design. You have to admit that the bike is looking quite good with them. What indeed has to be checked, how much they will last, because I heard something around 4000 miles, 5000 miles, but I have to check it for myself. Also I heard 14,000 kilometers. That's depending a lot on the surface which you are running, on your riding style. It depends on many factors. So this is a subjective opinion, and they will last depending very much on your riding style. That's for sure. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.